This is the Rusted Willow. My name is Tammy, and I want to thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be unboxing our Super Chewer BarkBox for the month of January. Stay tuned to the end of the video and you will get to see my future little YouTuber unboxing her last month's BarkBox. Ours didn't come till really late in the month, and so we didn't get to post a video last month for our BarkBox. Open. You know it's toys for you, don't you? Ooh. And Mama ordered you something special. Oh! So this time, we just received our Super Chewer BarkBox. Samara, give me a minute. And I ordered these, what are they called? Ice, and Baby. How cute is that? Ice, and Baby. They're balls. It says multi-part toy, crazy crinkle, and 3 squeakables. So, hey, let me get it undone. Hold on. 1 second. Goodness sakes. Anyway, they love it when their BarkBox comes. Here, Muskie. Come here. Okay. Well, there you go. So I ordered that add-on this time because I thought it was super cute, and I don't remember how much it was. It wasn't that much, maybe $5 or $10, I'm not sure. But this month we got the Super Chewer Mutt Mountain Slopes. This is what it looks like. Mutt Mountain Slopes. Boy, that has a lot of flair on there. So it came with, what did we get this time? It says snack sticks with bacon. Long-lasting treats that massage gums and mechanically remove tartar. Snack sticks with bacon. We got a pork recipe chew bar. Avalanche ski lift. And this thing, what does it do? Natural rubber, it's a squeaker. No line to get in. Spot clean only, PVA free. Looks like a ski lift. And it's very, very hard rubber. We'll see how long it takes Samara to get through that one. I don't know. Okay. We also got an igloo ball. The igloo ball. And it's got a hole in it. So I assume you can put treats in there. Gnaw-friendly texture, unique details for satisfying chewing, treat dispensing. Yep. Break up a treat and add kibble for more rewarding playtime. Wacky bounce, better than fresh powder, dishwasher safe. So there's that one. I know y'all are waiting. My goodness, they're circling me right here. Right here. Okay. Ooh, this says skee ball. And it's in a pretty little black bag. Okay, let me get it open. It's rubber, it's a squeaker. Oh, it's vanilla scented. I can already smell it. It is vanilla scented, big time. Wacky bounce, shreds the gnar bra. Okay. I guess that's a ski thing. I don't know. Samara's going to town trying to get the covering off of that ball. That'll keep her busy for about 15 minutes, and then she'll have it off, and then she'll start tearing up the rubber. Oh, that's cool. It looks like a little ski mask, and it's a ball, or it looks like a guy's head with a ski mask. Oh, it's got mountains in the back. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's got mountains. Anyway, snowflake. Looks like he's wearing goggles. You want that? You want that? Go ahead, take your ball. Okay. Ooh, we got something different this time. Good deal. We got baked biscuits that are lamb and cheddar recipe. I know you want some. And then we got 100% beef bites. Dog treats, just beef bites, I guess. Ooh, they look like, looks like beef jerky bites. That's what it looks like. Okay. It says, chew on this. Behind the scenes with some of this month's best new toys. We got the original Skechers provided by our toy design team. The ski ball and the avalanche lift. Okay, well, you get to meet the models on here. And it has the 2 toys that we received featured. So I'm glad I bought them that extra one. They got 3 toys though. That's a lot. And these are big, heavy duty toys. Nice. That ski lift one is super nice. You want to try one of these treats? This is a really nice black mesh bag too. I might use that for my crafting. Let's try one of these 100% beef bites. Leonidas, you want a treat? Woo, it stinks terrible. Oh, sit. Good girl. Sit. Sit, mister. No. Good boy. Ooh, they're crunchy. Mary, you already got it tore up. She's already got stuffing all over. Let me show you this. They've had these for now about 9 minutes. We're 9 minutes in. I don't even think they've had the toys 9 minutes. She's got stuffing all over. I just vacuumed today. That's where she's at. There she goes to town. She loves these things. She loves tearing the stuffing out. That's all she lives for, is new toys and stuffing. She's already got stuffing all over the floor, stuffing all over the couch. Have I mentioned that I need an extra Super Chewer box? Because she is extra. Oh, see, she just spit that stuffing out. She's going to town. She's going to have that covering off there in no time. Goodness sakes. Well, that was a good 5-minute toy. If you want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, I would appreciate it.
What else did we get? What's the last thing we got? These are Good Duck Chuck. Duck recipe dog treats. Awesome. What an exciting Christmas gift for Jax, huh? What do you say? What do you tell him?
Thank you, Nana and Papa.
Say bye.
Bye. This time we got Nana and Papa my stuff, Jack's stuff, and my stuff.
Now, what do you say?
Love you, Jack.
No, I think Jax approves. He likes his new toys.
Do you like the personal toys?
What do you think?
Did you? Did you get him a new present? Did you, Jax? Did you?
Okay.
Good night.
I want to thank you all for watching. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you're returning, I really appreciate you supporting my channel. Leave a message down below and say hi, and I will see you next time.